Play na dyan.
Okay, good afternoon everyone. Good afternoon. So, we are now on shooting drill. So, in shooting, we have many kinds of drills. First is, kindly please everyone. Kindly please read everyone.
We will down and shoot drill.
Wait lang again. Kanang pwede ta na atay unity sa pagbasa na lang. Okay, everyone, please read.
Dribble down and shoot drill. Divide your team into two groups. Each group lines up at the half court, and the first person in each group has a ball at the coach man. The first person in each group dribbles down towards the basket, stands at the goal, and shoots a jump shot.
Okay, so here in dribble down shot drill, or what we call the jump shot. So sa mga wala pa ka-familiar sa ng jump shot, inani na yung forma sa jump shot. Guys, inani siya then. We are going to divide the teams into two groups. Each group lines up at the half court. Muna nga itong half court is, muna itong half court, then the first person in each group has the ball. At the coach command, the first person in each group dribbles down. Pag mag-command na daw si coach nga, di ba naka-line na sila, anak, in straight line. Then, pag-line sila nila, then mo? Ikaw, Benjamin, dali na ka. Dali na ka, gusto mo demo, dali. Dali, bench.
Saan God?
Babae.
Assuming na sila yung bula to ha. Then, okay, assuming nga diri ang ring dayon.
Ayaw!
Assuming na lang na nasa bula si Rajik din, mag-command si coach nga mag-dribble ang first person in line. Mag-dribble ang first person in line. Kung sa'y dribble bench. Okay. Dayon, muran ka towards the cone of the court. Kaya bitaw, what we call the cone is, kining inahin bitaw siya guys. Diri ba? Diri ba?
Nasa ikon.
Nasa ikaw, then dito mag-stop, then mag-jump shot. Sige. Sige daw, Ben.
Ikaw sa unang picture.
Sige, ikaw pa. Ikaw na kung ikaw dribble. Assuming lang, assuming na
Ikaw sa unang din sunod.
So, for example, dribble ko. Dayon, anak ko din. Magic na siya. Mag-dribble na, dayon. Towards the goal, jump shot na ka. Okay, thank you. So, klaro napapaunsa po okay, klaro napapaunsa po hapon ang dribble down and shoot drill or jump shot. Okay, then let's proceed to the around the world. Palihog ko, maminaw ka. Okay, let's proceed to around the world. Can you please read everyone?
Around the world is a training exercise that helps the players develop their shooting accuracy and consistency from various spots on the court.
Okay, so kanina yung around the world is muna na siya without practice or training. Pwede na rin mo siya bahaton bisan ikaw lang isa. Kay, example kanina court, mao ni siya ang katong silver murag half court ang ito siya lens. Dili ka magsugod o shoot, then pag mahuman na ka, is mubali na po ka dili. Then mubali na po ka dili, hantod sa mahuman mo na tira, patuyok sa murabitog Makuha mo nila art is, mag-practice na yung ka mag-shot. Example, nga, dila ang ring karon. Patuyok lang siya guys. Hantod sa masungko ni